all links in the video description. To optimize images without a WordPress plugin, visit the TinyPNG page. These are the image formats you can upload. You can also upload animated PNG images. With the free version, you can upload up to 20 images at the same time, with a maximum of 5 megabits for each image. Take a look at the Pro version to see how to use TinyPNG without limits. To upload images, click on this box. Select the images, or click on the image you want to upload, and press Enter. After the compression, you'll see the new image size. You can download all the images in a zip file, or download them individually. Leave a comment and subscribe.